Hey guys, a new product today. We're actually going to be replacing, well not replacing, but putting on a carbon fiber overlay to this white dashboard here. And just wanted to show how simple this process is and how it can really change up the look of the interior, which is really cool. I know these side panels are white, but from what I'm told from hand shows that they are actually in the process of making those carbon fiber pieces as well. But for now, let's see how this dashboard turns out. Again, thanks to Hancho for sending these out. Let's check it out. And again, this is a real molded carbon fiber, not that fake carbon fiber. The pieces here, you can use these adhesive strips, but I'm actually not even going to do that. I am just going to pop this on. All right, and I actually just had to remove that tray holder I had over there, but just to show again, I don't have the adhesive strips taken off. I'm just going to be snapping this piece into place here, and that thing just slides right on. Wow, completely covers the white from here. And God, it's just such a nice, smooth, sleek looking piece right there. And again, you see the other half is still white, so we can kind of get a comparison. But let's get that other piece on. This one looks great. All right, now we're gonna install the second piece here. Again, just slide this in like that. Meets that piece perfectly right there. And that's it. Again, we got a perfect connection right there. Blocks all the white from here. This is just so sleek. This looks so good. And again, I didn't take off any of the adhesive strips. I didn't do any of that. Just pop these pieces on. Really gives a nice change up to this interior here. Really clean. All right, this is the view from the middle rear seat. You got this nice little cutoff, even actually a two-tone. But as you can see, this carbon fiber dash looks so clean. It's so nice. Such a simple little change. The carbon fiber looks so good. Very cool. I'm impressed with this. Thank you, Hancho, for sending this out. And I'm hoping to see additional pieces to cover these side panels, which would be awesome. But I'm really liking how this looks. Again, look at that. That's great. Looks a little sporty, a little more futuristic. Fits really well. Makes the lights actually stand out a lot too. Looks really nice. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that. See you guys on the next one. Bye. All right, and then here now we have the dash installed on a tactical gray Cybertruck. And it looks really nice with the tactical gray as well. Blends in perfectly. Still gives it a kind of the same matching look, but just a bit different. That looks great. All right, I'll equip the link in my details below. You can get this from Hancho. Super awesome carbon fiber dash for the Cybertruck.